Welcome everyone. In this video we were shooting at a stunningly beautiful location at a lavender field in Köröshegy, which is a little village near Lake Balaton in Hungary. My models on that day were Masni and Sandra, who you may know from our previous video from the winter time when we were shooting in the mountains in Dobogókő. If you haven't seen that video before, please click the I button in the upper right corner. Make sure to check that one out too. When I'm taking photos of people, instead of invading their personal space, at first I like to start off by taking pictures from afar so they can get comfortable with the whole photo shoot.
Nagyon szupi!
I have missed out on a great opportunity here, unfortunately, because if you shoot through the gap in between those two tree trunks on the left, you get a really nice natural vignetting, which would frame the shot very, very nicely. But I totally forgot to do that. We were taking a few running shots after this, and as you can see, I was sitting a little bit to the left to give enough space to Masni to run by me, because as you may know, she is a half Malinois, so safety is paramount.
Woohoo!
It was a really hot day, so after a few runs we gave her some time to rest in the shades. The next idea was to have Masni jump over a line of lavender, and we didn't want to make any damage to the plants, so we looked for a really small one to jump over, and you wouldn't even see it from the side anyway. And this was our first try, and the plant we have found was so tiny that she didn't even realize that she was supposed to jump. She just walked over it. And this is the second try, where she knew what to do, but this is what I managed to record. After this, we continued by taking portraits of Masni.
Okay.
Well, this was a very obvious photo opportunity.
Köszönöm!
After this, we walked over to another part of the plantation, and I think we have managed to record the most epic footage of the day there.
De mindent a képekért. Oké, köszi!
After this, we have found another area where the tallest lavenders were growing that I have ever seen. The flowers surrounded Masni from every possible angle, and it was just so epic. Thanks to Sandra, we have a few behind-the-scenes pictures from here.
Oké, köszi! Jó így a hajam?
Többszörre.
Oké. Igen.
Oké!
Torpedó!
This one is called Where's Masni? We took a few photos of Sandra without Masni too.
Azaz!
But of course we had to show off their beautiful companionship by using the last rays of this amazing sunset. And then we ended the day by taking a portrait of Masni together with a bag of lavender.
Fej.
I really enjoyed this photo shoot because the scenery was just unbelievable and I had really talented models. So I hope you enjoyed the video too. And if you did, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends. See you in the next one. Bye bye!
Pillanat, ezt még ellopom egy másodpercre.